Hi everyone. Today is our water day.
Ain't no fucking way that
Let's go. Here's my pass. No one up to pretty right now. Get the I get the boom. Yep. I'm walking out. I'm getting off here. Yes.
I get my haircut and go eat these. Oh my god.
And I'll see you guys on the road. Let's do.
I want you with an adult when you're out here, okay?
Alright. There we go. I get you. Alright. Let's walk. I was excited. Yeah, this is Police Officer Halperin. He's a school police officer at this school. And yeah, yeah. Here comes Mr.
You know what? I'm gonna double check my office. Last fire drill, my alarm didn't work.
Oh, you got going south.